Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character xin. Step by step, I will first write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. Now let's write xin. Letter. Trust. For example, 信息 information. News. The book contains much new information. The book contains much new information.这本书有很多的新信息。The book， 这本书有很多的新信息。新信息 new information。 这本书有很多的新信息。The book contains much new information. 这本书有很多的新信息。My casual handwriting on 信。信 letter, trust, 信息 information, news. The book contains much new information. 这本书有很多的新信息。这本书有很多的新信息。信 Please comment any sentence with the character 信. I hope you find this video helpful.Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.